So we start off today's video with these two lanterns. Okay, looks like they're gonna glue them together. Adding like a little saucer plate to the top. Oh, wow. Okay, this is a really cool lamp idea. Very easy to make too. They didn't even have to spray paint anything. They just basically glued the pieces together. Very cool. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So next up, we have some various items here. So I'm gonna guess right now that this is some kind of table being made. And they're using a placemat here. Spray painting it black. And bam, beautiful side table design. Very cool. I love watching the DIY tables. So then we have someone making over their kitchen. So they are using some contact paper to add a little bit of a design on the side. Seems easy enough, right? Now this particular style that she uses isn't really my personal style, but I think this is a cool idea. If you want to jazz up your kitchen, this would be a fun way to do it. It's like adding an accent wall to the space. Okay, so speaking of accent walls, we have someone doing some paneling here. I always love it when I see women doing these DIYs themselves. I'm like, yeah, girl. Because I know I would never, I would never do it. Like, I would not have enough confidence to do it. It looks like she did have a little bit of male help though, so. But this came out good. And that's an easy upgrade to the home, by the way. When you do like the nice paneling to the walls, instant upgrade to the home. So here we have someone at this action store. I figured it out. This is like pretty much the equivalent of IKEA in the States. They have some of the same items and everything. I was like, you know what? So they basically just spray painted this black. Easiest DIY ever. Well, aside from that lamp one we started the video with, this one's pretty easy. You can find little like child toys and spray paint them and turn them into decor. I love that idea. Ooh, how good does that coffee look? All right, so here's another action hack or DIY. And once again, you can, grab these items from anywhere. It doesn't have to be from that particular place or store. So she added the rubber bands and then the paints. And that's gonna give you a nice little design. So I'm guessing that this is a vase being made. Or it could be a candle holder. Oh, that's what they use it for, a candle holder. Very cool. I love when I see DIY projects that are like, they look expensive and they look professional, but they're like so easy to make. So here we have someone spray painting the water. I forgot what this technique is called. Oh, that's a pretty color scheme. My 3 favorite design colors, black, white, and gold. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, those came out gorgeous. Beautiful candle holders. And then we're once again at action. Okay, we actually saw this kind of like side table in another video. So they are transforming it with some little wooden pieces. Oh, this is cute. Very nice way to jazz it up. Oh, it's a magazine rack that doubles up as a table. That's cute. Or you can put your books in there. DIY candle holder, once again from Action. So they got this spray paint. Oh, this is another easy one. They're just basically repainting it a different color. Oh no, she's gluing it together with something. A smaller version. Oh, candle holder. Oh, that's nice. I wonder if she did that statement piece there for the wall. That's pretty. All right, more candle holders. Vintage look. And another simple DIY. Nice and easy. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.